Hi, welcome to Clean Beauty with Alli Marie. Did you know that at Rowe Casa Organics, there are over 250 SKUs? Now, while that is amazing that there are so many fabulous options available for us, I know that it can get a little bit overwhelming to know where to even begin. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing my top 5 favorite products to help with the overwhelm. I hope that today's video is helpful. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am Alli. I am a mom to 2 precious girls, and I strive to make it easy to find clean products that you really love. If you wouldn't mind subscribing before you go, it would mean a lot. Thank you. Okay, I'm excited to get started. If you have not heard about Rowe Casa Organics before, they are a family-owned company out of Texas, and all of their products are all natural. They use the highest quality ingredients. They have full ingredient transparency, and their products have offered solutions for a lot of the health issues that a lot of us have been going through. So it's neat to be able to find a company that has so many fabulous things, but as I shared, it is a little bit overwhelming if you're like, 250 products, where do I even start? So I'm gonna share how I got started and the ones that if I accidentally let them run out, I notice and I am not okay about it. So let's get started. Okay, so the very first product that I ever bought from Rowe Casa was the shampoo and conditioner bar set. Okay, now technically this is 2 products, but there is a SKU that combines both of them into a set. So the shampoo and conditioner bar set is the first product that I would highly recommend. I was on the hunt for shampoo and conditioner bars. I was looking for something a little bit easier to travel with that wouldn't take up any room in my carry-on liquids bag. So since these are bars, they can actually they don't count for liquid. So I was looking for a bar. I had tried a few other brands and I just really wasn't happy with them. I tried the ones from Rowe Casa and I was hooked. Mostly, I feel like the conditioner bar was a big difference here. I was actually able to have the product come from the bar to my hair without too much issue. It was so easy. And then they also come with these nice tins, so it makes it really, really easy to travel with. So highly recommend the shampoo and conditioner bar set. They do sell them individually. I feel like I go through the shampoo about twice as fast as I go through the conditioner since I do a double wash. So you might consider grabbing 2 of the shampoo bars, maybe buying the SKU that contains both of these and then buying the shampoo bar by itself. Then they should all run out about the same time. I did do a separate video where I share a little bit more detail about both of these, so be sure to check that out if you are looking for a all-natural shampoo and conditioner that really does leave your hair so shiny and smooth. That would be my first recommendation. Okay, now my next recommendation is not exactly a product, but it is the product guide. This has been such a helpful tool as I'm navigating the different products within Rowe Casa Organics. And then at the very end, they offer tips and tricks on various things that might be going on in your house. So here's razor bumps and burns. So if you're struggling with razor bumps and burns, these are the products that might be able to help you with that. And then some of the different health issues will also be given some nutrition guidelines, maybe some vitamins and supplements that might help, and then any additional helpful suggestions. And there's all kinds of different things in here. So if you're looking to be able to kind of treat your body in a more holistic manner, this product guide is just really helpful to have. And it does go through all of the different products that are currently available. It talks about how to use them, what's in them. You can see all of the ingredients, and it's just a really, really helpful tool. I've used it a lot. I refer to it a lot, and I would highly recommend grabbing the Rowe Casa product guide. Another product that I definitely recommend is the elderberry immune support. So I have only gotten sick 2 times this flu and cold season. And both of the times was when I accidentally let my elderberry run out. Now, could that be coincidence? Could be, but twice it seems like I really would have preferred to keep this in stock. So this one is unopened. I have one in my fridge. You are supposed to keep it in your fridge after you open it, but now I have one on backup because I will not allow myself to let this one go out of stock in my home again. You can use it daily as preventative immune support, and then if you do start to feel like a sickness is coming on, you can take this every 2 hours to just really fight that sickness and help you to feel better faster. So elderberry, it's delicious. It seems to really work well from my experience, and definitely something that I would recommend you starting with. Okay, another product that for sure is in my top 5 is the All Natural Magnesium Cream. So at Rowe Casa Organics, they actually have 3 different magnesium products. They have magnesium gel, magnesium cream, and magnesium spray. I have only tried the cream so far, but I absolutely love it. I think I'm about halfway through my first jar. You can kind of see it has a little bit of a blue hue to it. It does have blue tansy oil in it. Smells great. I like to apply mine directly to my stomach. I feel like I always have tummy issues, and this has really been able to help those. Some people apply it to the bottoms of their feet before they go to bed to help with relaxation and sleep. The benefits of magnesium are just huge. There are so many benefits to making sure that your magnesium levels are high, and the magnesium cream is a really easy and great way to help boost those levels. So highly recommend the magnesium cream. Okay, my 5th and final recommendation for today would be the Woman's Hormone Kit. So you probably know that if your hormones are out of whack or unbalanced, can cause all kinds of issues within our bodies. And so the Woman's Hormone Kit can really help to rebalance, restore, and create some really happy hormones. And it's a cool kit. It comes with 4 different oils here. It also comes with a handy printout in each box that will share how to use each one of the different oils, what's in them, what it can do for your bodies. It's just really helpful. And also, one of the things that Rowe Casa Organics provides is they actually have a specific email address that you can email in and say, I'm really struggling with which products would you recommend? And it's just a really cool resource. They can just kind of problem solve with you and figure out what might be going on and which products might be best to help. And a lot of times the hormone kit is recommended just because it can really just help restore and rebalance. Now men, there are products for you as well, so please don't feel left out, but I just don't have any of the men's products, but there are some available, and I'm sure that you could find them in the Rowe Casa product guide. But there you have it. Those are the 5 products that if you're not sure where to start, you're a little bit overwhelmed, you want to get the biggest bang for your buck, and you really want to be able to feel and see the results and the benefits, I would recommend shampoo and conditioner bars. Super easy to travel with, leaves your hair shiny and smooth. Elderberry immune support, just to make sure that you are supported. We do not want to worry about feeling sick. Nobody likes feeling sick, so this is a great thing to have around. The product guide, the magnesium cream, and the hormone kit. If you would like to go ahead and give Rowe Casa a try, please be sure to check the description for a promo code. Also, right now the free shipping threshold is $150 US. So if that changes, I will update that in the description. I really don't think you can go wrong with any of the products. I have tried quite a few, but I hope that this was a helpful video to kind of give you a good guide as to where to start. Thanks for watching. Bye.